International recording artist R. Kelly sentenced to 30 years on sexual abuse charges after the 55-year-old singer was found guilty of sex trafficking and racketeering involving women, girls, and boys. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. R&B singer R. Kelly has been sentenced to 30 years in prison following a conviction in federal court last year on sex trafficking and racketeering charges. He faced 7 of his accusers today in court, who gave victim impact statements recounting their experiences with the singer. Prosecutors had called for him to receive more than 25 years behind bars in order to protect the public from the singer. He was convicted on 9 counts last year, which include 1 racketeering and 8 counts of Mann Act of violations. Gloria Allred, who is representing 3 of the women who testified against R. Kelly in court, told reporters that no one can undo the harm that has been done to these victims. Defense attorney representing R. Kelly are hoping that details revealing their client's own abuse as a child will move the judge to offer the singer a lighter sentence. The attorneys representing R. Kelly had called for a sentence of 10 years or fewer, arguing that anything beyond this would be indefensible. The attorneys have claimed that the prosecution desire to lock away the 55-year-old singer for up to 25 years would be equivalent to a life sentence. Just a few minutes ago, U.S. District Judge Ann Donnelly imposed the sentence at the federal court in Brooklyn after hearing from several survivors who attested how R. Kelly's exploitation changed their lives forever. R. Kelly, whose given name is Robert Sylvester Kelly, is known for some tremendous hits throughout his musical careers. Those include Ignition and I Believe I Can Fly. He was charged with 21 counts of making child sexual abuse videos, including various sexual acts, in June 2002, but was acquitted on all counts following a trial in 2008. Then in January 2019, a 6-part documentary entitled Surviving R. Kelly, detailing the allegations of sexual abuse and misconduct against the singer, aired on U.S. TV network Lifetime. In the film, accusers wondered if their stories were previously ignored because they were black women. The singer was later arrested in July 2019, and charges of sex with trafficking offenses, including child abuse, images, and obstruction of justice, were brought against the singer. The singer had been detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn since his verdict last September. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an exclusive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.